This is Trevor,
And this is also Trevor.
and this is the QuizMe app Sprint 1 product demo.
For the summary of this sprint, we added user account creation. The user's data is properly stored into Firebase. We added the ability to sign in and sign out. We added a splash screen and some color theme. We also added the user homepage where you can view a list of note cards. And we also added the note card viewer where you can study using the note cards.
As a user, I want to be prompted with the account registration at app startup so that I can create a user account. There's a clickable text prompting the user to create an account if they do not have one. When the text is clicked, the user is taken to a sign up page. And when clicking anywhere that is not the text, the sign up page is not displayed.
All right. Also, we'll go ahead and show the splash screen. Whenever you start up the app, you're greeted with a logo, and you're brought to the splash screen. As Trevor said, if you click anywhere that isn't this clickable text, you are not taken to the sign up page, but when you click the clickable text, you're brought to a sign up page where you can enter an email, username, and password. As a user, I want to be able to log into the app so that I can create quizzes and note cards. The login page has an email and password text field. When the user presses sign in, if the fields are blank, error text appears prompting the user to key in data. If the data entered does not match data in Firebase, a pop-up window appears informing the user that the email and password combination are wrong. When the correct email and password are entered, and the sign in button is pressed, the user is taken to the home page. Shoot. Just to show, there's also in create account, it checks to make sure you enter a valid email, username, and password. So I'll make an account real quick to show the login. Wrong field. And password. Alright, so to log in, I'm going to use that same password I just created. Same password and email combination. And you're brought to the user homepage.
As a user, I want to be able to view my profile and all related data so that I can easily see all of my quizzes and note cards. On the user homepage, there's a profile button in the drawer. When a profile page is selected, the user is taken to that profile page. The profile page displays the user's picture and information.
So here's the drawer on the user homepage, and you can go to the profile page, and here you would see your picture. We're going to add the ability to upload pictures later, so here's a stock image for now, and the information of your username and the email that you use on your profile.
And eventually, you'll be able to see like followers and following information. But right now, it's just a placeholder.
As a user, I want to have the option to log out so that other people may access their accounts from my phone. On the user homepage, in the drawer, there is a sign out button. When the sign out button is pressed, the user is taken to the login page. When the user is taken to the login page via the sign out button, the text fields are blank. So, say you want to sign out, you simply go into the drawer, press the sign out button, and you're brought back to the login page with the text fields cleared for you.
As a user, I want to be able to study note cards so that I can study for school. The user can select a study guide to go into study mode. In study mode, the user can view multiple different note cards. In study mode, the user can see the question on a note card and choose to reveal the answer.
So here's the study guide. So you can see, you can go to biology, define mitochondria. You click on it. It's the powerhouse of the cell. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid.
That's about right.
God dang it. Okay, you'll cut that one out. Alright. Beginning programming. What is the difference between a class and an object? Now, this one's a little tough, but I think that it's an object is an instance of a class. Let's see if I'm right. An object is an instance of a class. There we go. See, now I'm all studied up. You can go to history. Who was the 27th president, Trevor?
I think it's William Buford.
No, it's William Taft.
Oh, I got the Williams mixed up.
Yeah. That's the app.